Stop snoring at night with this helpful advice. Millions of people will someday experience the woes of chronic snoring, whether they themselves are creating this irksome sound or whether their sleep is disrupted by their partner. While there are many superficial issues that can cause snoring, it can also be indicative of a more serious health issue. Read on to find out more about this common affliction. A way to avoid the snoring that comes with extremely deep sleep is to develop and keep a steady sleep routine. If your body is accustomed to resting at a certain time, that sleep will be calmer, and you'll snore less. Getting a regular 8 hours a night, at the same time each night, will make sleeping more beneficial. If you often find yourself snoring at night, avoid drinking alcohol. Alcohol can suppress the central nervous system, thus causing all the muscles in your throat to fall into a relaxed state. Your jaw muscles will relax too, increasing any snoring problems. Only drink in moderation, if at all, and you will avoid this problem. Physical activity can help reduce or even eliminate snoring. Exercising helps you breathe more evenly, which can reduce snoring in some people. Not only will exercise condition your respiratory system, but it will also reduce stress. If you are stressed out, you won't breathe as efficiently, so you're more likely to snore. If you have tried a whole bunch of snoring remedies, schedule a visit with your physician. There are prescription medicines out there that can help you, or your doctor can suggest some other habits or ideas that can keep you from snoring as much. Getting your doctor's perspective is always a good idea. If you smoke tobacco, you are more likely to snore when you sleep. The reason this occurs is that tobacco smoke contains irritants which can aggravate and constrict your airways, which results in snoring. Of course, for obvious other health reasons, it's best to just quit smoking. Humidify the air in your bedroom if you have a snoring problem. When you breathe in dry air all night as you sleep, your throat and nasal membranes dry out. This leads to swelling and congestion that narrows your airways. That constriction makes it difficult to get enough air and causes you to snore. Moderate the amount of dairy intake during your meals if you want to reduce snoring when you rest. Dairy can expedite the formation of mucus in your body, which can clog your airways and make it tough to breathe at night. Curtail your dairy consumption at all costs to breathe freely as the night wears on. Pin a tennis ball to the back of your sleepwear. The bulge on your back will keep you from turning over to sleep on your back. If you are skilled with sewing, you could sew on a special pocket with a ball so it would be removable for washing. Another option is to pierce the ball with string and hang it on your back. Now you should have a better understanding of why you and others snore. The internet is full of advice on this common issue, but not all of it is sound. Consider the above advice carefully whenever you endeavor to solve a snoring problem. If all else fails, consult your doctor for a second opinion.